Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change a PDF background color online. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Working Tool. Then, press Enter and click on the Working Tool website from the search results. Once the website opens, click on the Online Tools tab. Next, click on the Convert Online option. Then, select the PDF Content Editor category. Now, click on the Change PDF Background Color tool. On the next page, click on the plus button to upload your PDF file. Then, select the PDF file from your computer. After the file is uploaded, go to the right side of the screen and click on the Background Color option. Choose the color you want to apply to your PDF. Once you've selected your color, click on the Convert button. The tool will take a few moments to process your file. After the conversion is complete, click on the Download button. Your PDF file with the new background color will now be downloaded to your device. And that's it. This is how to change a PDF background color online. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.